Welcome to the Salton Sea, a unique and dynamic landscape in Southern California. Amidst this arid region lies a geological wonder, the mud volcanoes. These fascinating formations are also known as mud pots. They are created by geothermal activity beneath the Earth's surface. As groundwater heats up, it mixes with sediments, creating bubbling pools of mud that emerge through fissures. The Salton Sea's mud volcanoes are a testament to the area's volcanic past and ongoing geothermal activity, offering a glimpse into the powerful forces shaping our planet. The mud volcanoes you see here are not just static formations, they are constantly evolving. The geothermal heat comes from the Salton Buttes, a group of 5 small volcanoes that last erupted over 10,000 years ago. This area is part of the larger Salton Trough, a geological depression formed by the extension of the Earth's crust. As tectonic plates pull apart, magma rises closer to the surface, heating the groundwater above it. Sadly, you are no longer able to visit these mud volcanoes. About 10 years ago, you were able to drive up to them, get out of your car, and see them in person. Nowadays, the only way to reach them is by boat. Even then, that is not advised due to the unstable ground and hazardous gases that are emitted. One of the most intriguing aspects of these mud volcanoes is their variety. Some emit thick viscous mud while others produce more watery bubbling pools. The gases released, primarily carbon dioxide and methane, add to the bubbling effect, creating a mesmerizing sight. These emissions also give us clues about the chemical processes happening deep within the earth. The mud volcanoes at the Salton Sea are not just a geological curiosity. They have practical implications as well. The geothermal energy harnessed in this region powers several plants, providing a renewable energy source for local communities. The area is one of the most prolific geothermal fields in North America, contributing significantly to California's energy grid. As you watch these aerial views, appreciate the delicate balance of nature and the immense forces beneath the Earth's surface. The Salton Sea's mud volcanoes remind us of our planet's dynamic nature, constantly reshaping the landscape in ways both subtle and dramatic. This hidden gem of the California desert is a testament to the ever-changing and fascinating world we live in.